Tutorial: How to automate TradingView strategies for Binance Futures in 11 simple steps. Access Binance Futures. Step 1. Add USD to your futures account. Step 2. Set your margin mode: isolated, limited risk, or cross shared balance. Step 3. Set your leverage according to your strategy. Step 4. Click on bots in the lower left corner. Step 5. Click on Webhook Signals Trading, also in the lower left corner. Step 6. Click on Create New Webhook in the lower right corner. Step 7. Click Confirm and proceed. Step 8. Configure your webhook on Binance. Fill in the required fields. A. Signal name. B. Trading symbol. C. Order size. Attention! Here you must enter the final position value in USD. Example: if you want to open a $10,000 position and your leverage is 4 times, Binance will use $2,500 of your balance. With leverage, this amount becomes the $10,000 final position. D. For order type, select market. Finally, click Create Signal. Step 9. Copy and save your webhook data. In your webhook panel, copy the webhook URL. Then, copy the webhook message. Finally, click Run Webhook on Binance. Step 10. Open a TradingView chart and add your strategy to the chart. Make sure you use the same pair and time frame as your backtest to ensure the signal is created correctly. Example: the Red Dragon strategy is designed to run on BTCUSDT.P on the 4-hour time frame. Step 11. Create an alert for your strategy on TradingView. Click the 3 dots or right-click on the strategy. Select Add Alert On.
Give the alert a name.
In the Message tab, paste the previously copied webhook message. In the Notifications tab, paste the Binance webhook URL into the webhook URL field. Finally, click Create. Done. Your alert is now set up and your strategy is fully automated. Now, let's see an automated execution in real time. To demonstrate this, I'll create another alert on the 1-second chart as a test so we can see an automated order execution in action. Step 1. I'll plot the strategy on the 1-second chart. Let's wait. It's taking a little while to plot the strategy on the 1-second chart. Step 2. Now I'll create a new alert on the 1-second chart. Step 3. I can use the same webhook information as before. Step 4. Done. The alert is created. Now we just wait. Let's watch this test execution together on the 1-second chart. Remember, I set the order size to $10,000 with 4 times leverage. So Binance will use $2,500 of my balance times 4 to open a final $10,000 position. Now let's wait for a signal on the 1-second chart. Done. See the position executed automatically. Now the order closed automatically. Now you can trade without being glued to the charts, making money even while you sleep. All premium and deluxe strategies from Titans Invest can be automated the same way. Explore a wide portfolio of quantitative strategies for global markets and start automating them with our tutorials. Remember, to automate alerts via Webhook, you need a paid TradingView subscription. Good trades, Titans.